Alright, today I'd like to show you how to play Hey Joe, the Jimi Hendrix version, or at least an approximation of it. I'm tuned to E, E on the low string, B in the middle, E on the high string. I start off on the first string on the 10th fret, do a quick hammer on to 12, then 10 again on the first, 5 on the first, pull off to 3, 5 on the middle. I'll do that really slow. So we hit the open E chord there, and then we do the rest of the intro, which is the low E, and then the 2 and the 2 on the middle and the high string slid to 3. We do that again, low E, 2 to 3, low E, 2, and then open on those two strings. Sounds a lot better speeded up. I'll do it slow though. Okay, and then I usually do a quick fill on the E chord just to fill in that beat, and I do the first lick. I do it up here over these 5 frets because on the record you can hear quite clearly that it's a hammer on. So I go from 5 to 7, 3 in the middle, that's 5 to 7 on the low, 3 on the middle, do that again, and then back to the 7 and slide down. On the record they actually speed that part up a little bit, almost out of context. But of course they're great, they can get away with it. If you find this hard to do, that jumping around, I'm doing it because that to me sounds a little bit more like the way it's supposed to go. But you can, 7 is the same as a middle string open, 5 is the same as a high string open. So you can go 5, open, 3, 5, open, 3, open. Anyway, now we're into the body of the song, which is C chord on the 8th fret, G on the 3rd, D on the 10th, A on the 5th. Now there's a rhythm to this as well. The way I do it is I hit the low string, then the other 2 strings, then the low string again and go down to 3, so it'd be 8, 8, 3, 3, 10, 10, 5, 5 open. So I'll do that real slow. Up to speed. And that second little open chord thing there is just filling into the next lick, which is 7, 3, 7, 3, 5. And then when I do I just leave my finger there when I do the filling chord. So that's what it sounds like at full speed, and I'll do it slow. He uses that lick a lot. He goes back to the first lick a lot, improvises a lot. There's one more lick that you can use as well. Hammering from the 5 to the 7 again, and then to the 3 with my first finger, and then I pinch these 2 strings, so they open, or you can use your pick and get a sort of open sound. Sounds kind of lame right there, but I'm hammering onto the 5, back to 3. When I speed it up, hopefully that sounds familiar. He does that a few places on the record there. He does it an octave higher though, he does it further down the neck. So those are 3 licks that you can use to fill in between the you can just alternate them any way you want, or you actually could listen to the record, I guess, and get them correct. I didn't do that. Okay, so there's one more thing to know about this song, and that's the walk up run, and that starts on 8 C, then you go 0, 1, 2, 3. That's on the low string, so 8, and then 0, 1, 2, 3 on the middle string. Then we go back to the low string and we go 2, 3, 4, 5. And we go to the middle string. I usually slide up to that note, you certainly don't have to. I'll play that slow for you, starting on the 8 on the low string. And here you can go to any one of the licks that we've already done. Or have a great day. Hope that works for you. Bye.